This is a short analysis of the music system on the Cluckening game, which won Best Student Project on Unity Awards 2019. You can find it on Vancouver Film School's archive website and download it for free. In this review, we will have our character nugget on the left side of the screen, and on the right side a combination of Wwise windows that will tell us what's happening with the music system. First thing to notice is that we have two parameters: the intensity of the game and the health of the chicken. Down here we have the sequence of the music theme. First we have the part A and then a random from either B or C. Then we go back to A and repeat. Here's how the music behaves with the health parameter. We go from full health to low health, then near death, and finally, you die. Intensity number 2, ramping, happens whenever you engage a civilian. This sequence is simpler, as it is just one container that alternates between two similar tracks. The sequences for low health are way simpler than their full health counterparts, as the player normally spends less time in this state. Here we can see how the chicken restores health and the music changes accordingly. The highest intensity happens whenever you engage a guard, or multiple. And the same principle of low health applies here too. One other instance where intensity 3 is used is whenever you transform into monster chicken. And whenever you are in that form, you will never go back to intensity 1 unless you become regular chicken again. The scope of the project was huge, and the developers did an amazing job, as well as the sound effect and dialogue team. For the music, I will say that the key was having enough content in terms of loops and one-shots in order to create precise transitions within Wwise. In fact, getting transitions right was a huge part of the implementation process and one of the advantages of using a middleware like Wwise or FMOD. Finally, I will say that this is when being the composer and the person implementing the music gives better results and benefits everyone on the team.